Welcome to Top Maths. Maths is easy. It just needs practice, practice, and practice.
Now let's learn practice set 2.5 example number 1. Fill in the gaps and complete. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is general form of quadratic equation. If the value of b square minus 4ac is 5 and b square minus 4ac is minus 5, we have to write the nature of the roots, right? Nature of roots. If the value is 5 means greater than 0. So if discriminant is greater than 0, roots are, yes, real and unequal. Answer, real and unequal. Now b square minus 4ac is equals to minus 5. Minus 5 means less than 0. So less than 0 means roots are not real. Correct? Roots are not real. Sum of roots is a minus 7. Sum of roots means alpha plus beta is minus 7. Product of roots is 5. Product of roots means alpha into beta. Correct? We have to write the quadratic equation. Can you tell me the formula? Yes, x square minus bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. That means x square minus what? Sum of roots. Sum of roots means minus 7 x plus alpha into beta means product of root, that is 5, is equals to 0. So what is my final answer? I write here x square plus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0. This is my final answer. Understood? Next. If alpha and beta are roots of the quadratic equation, 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. What is alpha plus beta and what is alpha into beta? Now here, can you tell me what is ABC? A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 4 and C is equals to minus 3. Right? Why? We are compared with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. That is general form. Right? So we got the value of ABC. Now alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means formula is minus b upon a. Remember? So minus b upon a, that is minus of minus 4 upon 2. That is 4 upon 2 is 2. So alpha plus beta is equals to, my answer is 2. Now alpha into beta, what is formula for alpha into beta? C upon a. Right? So C upon a means minus 3 upon 2. Now we cannot divide. So alpha into beta is minus 3 upon 2. This is my answer. Understood? है ना easy? अच्छी तरीके से करना. Best of luck and thank you. Now let's learn practice set 2.5 second example. Find the value of discriminant means delta, that is b square minus 4ac. Right? First example, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equals to 0. Here let's compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. That is general form of quadratic equation. Okay. So what is a? A is equals to 1. B is equals to 7. And C is equals to minus 1. So we got the value of A, B, C. Now discriminant. Discriminant is nothing but delta, that is b square minus 4ac. So b square means 7 square minus 4ac. Value of A is 1 and C value is minus 1. So that is 49 minus into minus plus 4 1 the 4. 49 plus 4 is 53. Correct? So answer discriminant is equals to 53. है ना इजी? बहुत इजी है कि नहीं? चलो नेक्स्ट. 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equals to 0. कैसे करोगे? Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So what is a? Is 2. B is minus 5. C is 10. Correct? So again discriminant. That is delta b square minus 4ac. Let's substitute the values. बताइए. B square, yes, minus 5 square, minus 4ac. A value 2. Value of C is 10. So the minus 5 का square हो गया 25. Minus 4 2s are 8. 8 10s are 80. So 25 minus 80 means 80 minus 25, right? 80 minus 25 is 55, and the bigger number sign is minus. So my answer, discriminant, is equals to minus 55. The answer could be plus, it could be minus also, right? If it is plus, then roots are real and unequal. माइनस, रूट्स आर नॉट रियल. वो पूछा नहीं है इसके लिए नहीं, लेकिन अगर पूछते हैं तो वी हैव टू राइट इट. रूट 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equals to 0. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 general form. What is a? Is root 2. What is b? Is 4. And c is 2 root 2. We got the answers of a, b, c. Now discriminant. Delta equals to b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, that is 4 square minus 4ac root 2 into 2 root 2. We had substituted the values. So 4 का square हो गया 16 minus 4 2s are 8 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 8 2s are 16. 4 into 2 is 8. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 8 into 2 कितना हुआ 16. So 16 minus 16 equals to 0. Correct? So what is your answer? Discriminant is equals to 0. अगर यहाँ पे नेचर ऑफ रूट्स पूछा तो क्या लिखोगे आप? रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल. है ना इजी? बहुत इजी है. वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट, तो आएगा ही आएगा, है ना? अच्छी तरीके से करो. बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड थैंक यू. नाउ लेट्स लर्न प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.5 एग्जांपल नंबर 3. डिटरमाइन द नेचर ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस. नेचर ऑफ रूट्स के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू फाइंड discriminant first, that is delta, right? X square minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. Let's compare with general form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Can you tell me ABC? A is equals to 1. B is equal to coefficient of x is minus 4 and c is just the number as 4. Right? So we got ABC values. Now discriminant, that is delta, formula is b square minus 4ac. So b square means minus 4 square minus 4ac. A is 1, c is 4. Correct? So that is 16 minus 4 4 the 16. So answer is 0. So here delta is 0 means discriminant is 0. If delta is 0, roots are what? Real and equal, because here they have asked us to find the nature of roots पूछा है, right? So we'll say roots are real and equal. This is my answer. Nature of roots, right? Now 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equals to 0. If you compare with general form, what is A? Is 2. What is B? Is minus 7 and C is equals to 2. So delta, that is b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values. Minus 7 square. Minus 4, 2. C is also 2. A का वैल्यू है 2, C का वैल्यू भी 2, right? So delta is equals to 49 minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 49 minus 16 is 33. Now 33 is greater than 0, correct? So roots are what? What is nature? Yes, real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Understood? Second condition. M square plus 2m plus 9 is equals to 0. If you compare with general form, what is A? Is 1, B is 2 and C is 9. C is equals to 9. Correct? So what is discriminant? It is B square minus 4AC. B square means 2 square minus 4. A का वैल्यू है 1, C की वैल्यू है 9. So this is 4 minus 4 9 the 36. So 4 minus 36 is minus 32. Minus 32 is less than 0. Now if discriminant is less than 0, then the third condition is roots are not real. So answer, roots are not real. Understood? है ना बहुत इजी. अच्छी तरीके से करना. Best of luck and thank you. Now let's solve example number 4. Form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. हमें quadratic equation तैयार करना है, form करना है, right? Roots दिए है 0 and 4. Roots means alpha and beta. So I'll say let alpha is 0 and beta is 4. So let's find out the value of alpha plus beta. That is 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. And alpha into beta, alpha beta, 0 multiplied by 4 is equals to 0. Correct? Why I found out this value? Because my formula for quadratic equation. See, the quadratic equation is what is formula for quadratic equation? X square minus bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. This was the formula, right? So we have got the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Let's put these values. So x square minus alpha plus beta is 4x plus alpha beta is 0 is equals to 0. So our answer is x square minus 4x is equals to 0. This is my quadratic equation. Can I easy? Okay. Now let's do this. 3 and minus 10. So I'll say let alpha is equals to 3 and beta is equals to minus 10. Okay. So alpha plus beta, that is 3 plus minus 10. Now 3 minus 10 is minus 7. Alpha into beta, 3 into minus 7, that is minus 21. Correct? So what is quadratic equation? The quadratic equation formula, again same, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. आ रहा है समझ में? So now alpha plus beta is minus 7, alpha beta minus 21. I will put the values. X square minus alpha plus beta minus 7 x alpha beta minus 21 is equals to 0. So x square minus into minus plus 7x plus into minus minus 21 is equals to 0. This is my answer. Understood? Now example number 3. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. I will say let alpha is 1 upon 2 and beta is minus 1 upon 2. So alpha plus beta is 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2. Now 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2 addition is 0 है ना, एक है प्लस एक है माइनस, तो एडिशन इज 0. अल्फा बीटा 1 upon 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2, that is minus 1 upon 4. This is alpha into beta. Correct? समझ में आ रहा है? So the quadratic equation formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Substitute the values. X square minus alpha plus beta 0, x alpha beta minus 1 upon 4 is equals to 0. So x square minus 0 into x is 0. Minus 1 upon 4 is equals to 0. This is my answer. Okay. 2 plus 2 minus root 5, 2 plus root 5. So let alpha 2 minus root 5, beta 2 plus root 5. One is alpha, one is beta. So alpha plus beta. क्या करोगे बोले बताइए? 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. दोनों की एडिशन. Correct? So minus root 5 plus root 5 will get cancelled. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Alpha plus beta मिल गया. So alpha beta 2 minus root 5 into 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. Sorry. Now this is a minus b into a plus b. What is formula for a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. Correct? So a square means 2 square minus b square is root 5 square. So 2 square is 4. Root 5 का square आ गया 5. 4 minus 5 is equals to minus 1. So alpha beta is equals to minus 1. Alpha plus beta is equals to 4. हमें आंसर तो मिल गए. Now quadratic equation. Formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta, that is 4. Alpha into beta, that is minus 1, is equals to 0. So x square minus 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. This is my answer. देखिए 4 एग्जांपल्स थे और बहुत ही इजी है. एक एक मार्क्स के लिए आपको एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं. राइट? करोगे अच्छे से. बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड थैंक यू.
Thank you for watching Top Maths.